Get some paper and a pen. We're gonna draw a cathedral. We'll do it together.
I'm not an artist. I can't even draw a house.
A blind man named Robert visits an old friend, whose husband feels very uneasy tonight. The husband is judgmental and narrow-minded, relying on stereotypes about how blind people should act. Robert and the wife share a deep, long history through recorded tapes sent over many years. They eat a large dinner together in silence, after which the wife falls fast asleep. The husband and Robert sit alone, smoking and watching a television program about medieval cathedrals. Robert asks the husband to describe a cathedral, but the husband struggles to find words. The husband realizes he cannot explain the beauty or the scale of these massive structures. Robert suggests they draw a cathedral together on a shopping bag to help him understand.
Get some paper and a pen. We're gonna draw a cathedral. We'll do it together.
I'm not an artist. I can't even draw a house.
The husband places his hand over Robert's hand, and they begin moving the pen together. Robert tells the husband to close his eyes while they continue drawing the complex shapes.
Go ahead, bub. Draw. Draw. You'll see. I'll follow you with my hand.
Keep going. Don't stop. How does it look? What do you think?
It's really something.
With eyes closed, the husband feels a sudden, powerful sense of freedom and deep connection. He realizes he is no longer inside his own house, experiencing a profound internal awakening.
My eyes were still closed. I was in my house. I knew that. But I didn't feel like I was inside anything. It's really something.